Hi everyone! So I have a haul from Five Below. So I don't shop there very often and I didn't realize that not everything is $5. So when I was there, there was a bin for $1 and these were in there. I think these are so cute. I had to get them because of the Hocus Pocus and I love the little like bat and the eyeball witch. I just thought they were super cute, so I had to grab those. Then these Disney grab and go packs were $1.50. So I got 4 of those. These are like perfect for our trip. We like doing like little gift exchange. So I'm gonna go to another store and see if I can find more of those. Then I found myself a Christmas shirt that I thought was so cute. So it says all aboard the North Pole, and it has Mickey and Minnie and Pluto is pulling them in a little sleigh, and then at the bottom it has the Express. So I thought that was so stinking cute, so I definitely had to grab that one. And then you guys, oh my gosh, this was like the top find of the day. Look at how stinking cute this is. It's glow in the dark. It's Nightmare Before Christmas. I love Tim Burton movies. It has a pen. It looks like some stickers. It looks like a journal. Let's see. Oh, here we go. What's inside? It's a 50-sheet activity pad, a sticker, and a pen. And then it glows in the dark. How stinking cute is that? And this was $5. Oh, look. There's what it looks like on the inside. So stoked that I found that one. I need to find another store, I'm telling you guys, that has more stuff. And then my grandmother, who is 93, almost 94, loves doing crossword books, and I just cannot buy her enough. She cracks me up because she has more of a social life than I do, okay? She is in her 90s. She's never home, and when she is home, she's on the phone talking to somebody. Like, she is just so funny, and that's why I say she still looks young. Like, you wouldn't believe that she's 93. Like, she doesn't walk with a cane. She doesn't walk with any assistance. If you try to give her your hand to, like, help her, she's gonna swat you away. So, yeah, I say that's what keeps her so young. She says it's drinking 2 cups of coffee and 2 pan dulces a day that keeps her so young. But I think it's just being active and doing like these little puzzle things that just keep her mind going. So at Christmas, I had bought her a 1,000 puzzle book, and I thought, oh, she's good till the end of the year. And apparently she finished it by her birthday, which was in April. So I picked them up whenever I find them, like at Dollar Tree, and I found this one. I'm like, okay, hopefully this one will keep her busy until, you know, the end of the year. So that's why I got her this one. I think it was like $4. So not all the books are $5 there. Like I said, I was like really surprised that not everything was $5 like I thought it was gonna be. And I found this little dinosaur Nerf gun. Like, how stinking cute is that? You guys know I love dinos. So I'm going to be mailing him off to my crafty friend's son. So yeah, that's gonna be for him. Super excited. I did get him a Mandalorian Nerf gun from Walmart, and then I bought him a bunch of bullets, and I even messaged her like, how many refill bullets are too many, because they're different colors, so you know he needs all the colors. So yeah, there's a lot. Maybe I'll share that when I do my Walmart haul, because I do have stuff from Walmart that I need to share with you guys. And then let's see, my last little item. How stinking cute are these? Again, these were in the dollar bin, so I'm getting one for myself. And then I think I'm going to save one for our cruise. Like I said, you know, they do like a whole little gift exchange on there, so I'll have like a backup. But oh my gosh, I totally want to make these before I go. So how cute is that? It has the board, it has the beads, there's the patterns in the back, and then you just need your iron to melt them down. So super cute. Can't wait to do those. So that's everything that I got today from Five Below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.